Somalia implements 5% tax on digital payments, sparking public concern. The Somali government's new tax on all electronic sales transactions has sparked widespread concern and discussion among both the public and officials. This tax, initially introduced in 1984 but never enforced due to technical issues, is now fully operational thanks to recent advancements. Finance Minister Bihi Iman Egeh explained that the government has implemented a modern system to efficiently monitor, track, and assess these taxes. The tax rate is set at 5%, which Egeh claims is lower than in many neighboring countries, in order to encourage tax compliance among the population. The government has directed telecommunications companies and other digital service providers to work with tax officials to make collection easier. Digital payment solutions have become increasingly popular in Somalia due to their convenience and the lack of traditional banking infrastructure. Mobile money services, such as Hormuud's EVC Plus and Telesom's ZAAD, dominate the market, with over 70% of the adult population using these services. The new taxation system affects transactions conducted via mobile money transfers, e-wallets, and other electronic payments for both the general public and businesses. The government has directed telecommunications companies and other digital service providers to cooperate with tax officials to facilitate the collection process. Abdefita Dahir Haroon, an economics professor at Hormuud University in Mogadishu, commented on this tax's potential benefits and drawbacks. The government can use the new revenue to invest in economic infrastructure, increasing overall income and reducing dependency on foreign aid, Haroon explained. However, he also acknowledged the potential negative impact on the public. People's expenses will increase as the tax applies to their final transaction amounts, which might lead to a decrease in the use of these electronic services, he added. The shift could result in a return to cash transactions, reversing the recent growth in digital payments. Such a move could undermine the gains made in financial inclusion and economic efficiency facilitated by widespread mobile money services and digital banking. The tax's introduction has led to confusion and criticism. MP Dahir Amin Jiso raised concerns in Parliament about the tax's specifics, particularly how it applies to non-commodity transactions like education and healthcare. He questioned, "If I send $1 to someone, will I be taxed for that? Will it be classified as a purchase? What does this tax mean in practical terms?" There is also uncertainty about how the tax will apply to non-commodity transactions, such as education and healthcare. Are we taxing digital payments at hospitals and schools? Jiso continued.
alaab gadaya waxaa la farayaa in qiimaha ay boqolkiiba 5 ay saaran tahay, boqolkiiba 5 ay fuliyaan, dawladuna ay systemkaas ku urursan doonto kuna goosan doonto cashuurtaas. waxaa kaloo rabaa inaan tilmaamo cashuurtani cashuur cusub hadda dawladdu soo rogaysa maaha, waa cashuurta sharcigu waajibiyay 1984 laakiin farsamooyinka dawladda iyo capacity-ga iyo awoodda dawladda oo koobnay darteed si buuxda aan ugu suura gelin in gadista ka dhacda qaabka electronic u dhacda inaanay dawladdu awood u heli jirin marka